In today's video, I'm going to teach you delete an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Before we jump in, a quick note on what deletion means. When you delete an invoice, you're removing that transaction from your books so it no longer affects your sales totals, customer balances, or reports. This is different from voiding, which keeps a zeroed record. If you need a paper trail, consider voiding instead. And if you're unsure, it's always a good idea to check with your accountant first. Let's get started. Open QuickBooks Online in your browser and sign in. From the main dashboard, look to the left navigation. Find Sales and Get Paid. Depending on your layout, it may appear simply as Sales. If your menu is collapsed, click the hamburger icon to expand it so you can see all labels clearly. Once you're in the Sales area, select Invoices. This opens the full list of your invoices and gives you quick filters like status, date ranges, and customer. If your list is long, use the search bar or filter drop-downs to narrow it down. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right invoice by checking the customer name, the amount, and the invoice date. If you want to be absolutely certain, click into the invoice to review the details, then return to the list. Now choose the invoice you want to remove. On the right side of that row, or within the invoice itself, look for the drop-down menu. This is often labeled More, or appears as an action menu with an arrow. Click that menu and select Delete. QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm. Read the message so you understand the impact, then confirm to complete the deletion. A couple of helpful tips as you do this. If the invoice has a payment or credit applied, QuickBooks may prevent deletion until that link is removed. You'll need to address the payment first before you can delete the invoice. Also, if the invoice came from a recurring template, deleting the single transaction won't stop future invoices. You'll want to update or pause the template separately. And remember, while the invoice is gone from your financials, QuickBooks keeps an entry in the Audit Log so you can see that it was deleted, when it happened, and by whom, provided you have permission to view the log. That's it. You opened QuickBooks Online, navigated to Sales and Get Paid, went into Invoices, selected the invoice you wanted, and used the drop-down menu to delete it. Use this carefully to keep your books clean and accurate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.